Ever wondered why dropshipping and affiliate marketing are creating a buzz in business circles in 2024? It's because these two strategies have revolutionized the e-commerce industry in a way we've never seen before. Dropshipping, a business model where you sell products directly from the manufacturer to the customer, has taken the hassle out of inventory management. It has allowed for a more streamlined, efficient business operation, making it a go-to strategy for many entrepreneurs. On the other hand, affiliate marketing has provided a lucrative avenue for earning passive income. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral, it's like having a sales force working for you round the clock. These strategies are not just trends, they're shaping the future of e-commerce, providing opportunities for anyone with the drive to build a successful business. Again, the next few minutes will unravel the process of dropshipping and affiliate marketing in easy-to-understand steps. So what exactly is dropshipping, and how does it work? Let's break it down to basics. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment model where a store doesn't hold the products it sells in stock. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But bear with me. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This way, the seller never sees or handles the product. Why is this a fantastic idea? It's all about the benefits. 1, you don't need a warehouse full of inventory. 2, it's less capital intensive. You only buy a product after you've made a sale and have been paid by the customer. 3, it's easy to get started because you don't have to deal with physical products. So how does the process work? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you select a product that you want to sell from a supplier. Then you list that product on your online store. When a customer makes a purchase, you then order that product from your supplier, and they ship it directly to your customer. The critical thing to remember is that you are a sort of middleman or woman in this transaction. You're providing a platform for customers to shop and handling the customer service side, while your supplier handles the product fulfillment. So, that's the beauty of dropshipping. Now let's move on to unravel the process of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing might sound complex, but it's a simple concept at heart. Picture it as a digital referral system. You recommend a product or service to your audience, and when they make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's a win-win for both parties involved. Let's break it down into steps. The first step is choosing a product or service that aligns with your platform's niche. This could be anything from a best-selling book to a fitness supplement or a software tool. The key here is to choose something that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your audience. Next, you promote this product or service to your audience. This could be through a blog post, social media, a podcast, or a YouTube video. The more creative and authentic you are with your promotion, the higher the chances of your audience taking action. The final step is where the magic happens. When someone from your audience makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. This commission varies from product to product, but it's typically a percentage of the sale price. So you see, affiliate marketing is not only a great way to monetize your platform, but it's also a way to provide value to your audience by introducing them to products or services that could benefit them. Now that we've broken down both dropshipping and affiliate marketing, let's summarize what we've learned. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed. We've delved into the significance of dropshipping and affiliate marketing in 2024. Both of these strategies are transformative tools in the world of e-commerce, offering opportunities for entrepreneurs to thrive in this digital era. Dropshipping, a business model that allows you to operate your store without ever holding any inventory, has been spotlighted. It's a low-risk, high-reward venture that can help you streamline your operations and maximize your profits. We've also unraveled the intricacies of affiliate marketing, a performance-based business where you earn commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's a win-win for both parties, offering a unique way to generate passive income. These strategies are not just trends, they're becoming the new norm in the e-commerce landscape. Understanding and leveraging these powerful tools can catapult your business to new heights. Remember, the future of e-commerce lies in understanding and leveraging these powerful tools. So gear up and embrace the change.